Sometimes, tables in a slide can better visualize the data. Take this document as an example. Click Edit. Enter the Tools column, head to the Insert menu, and click Table. We can set the number of rows, columns, and table styles. Previewing the table in real time is also available. How can we set the number of table rows? To increase or decrease the number of rows in the table, we can click the gray triangle icon on the right side of the table or drag the number bar up and down. Similar methods can also be applied to set the number of columns. After setting the number of rows and columns of the table, we can choose the table style according to our preference. Click OK in the upper right corner to insert the table. We can also adjust the layout and style of the table again as needed. You can adjust the table at Tools, or edit the table directly on the Edit page. Drag the gray circle icon to zoom in and out of the table. Click the white circle icon to select the whole table. Drag the icon, then you can adjust its position. If you want to add rows and columns, just click the plus icon in the table. If you want to delete rows, select the corresponding row number on the left side of the table, and then click Delete Row in the floating menu. Similarly, to delete the column, select the corresponding letter on the top of the table, and select Delete Column. Select all the tables again. In the floating menu, you can also edit, copy, cut, and delete the table and set the table properties. To prevent the table from being modified by misoperation, we can click Lock. In this way, editing is not allowed in this table. Of course, if you want to modify the contents of the form again, click Unlock. You can experience more table styles on WPS PC. Come and try it.